Welcome back to One More Guru. So I looked into Enjuvie lashes, and honestly, the whole situation feels a bit questionable. The lashes themselves are real, and some people say they work fine, but there are quite a few red flags around the brand. For starters, a lot of users mention that the magnets aren't very strong, or that the lashes don't sit properly and end up feeling bulky or uncomfortable. So even if you receive them, the experience seems pretty hit or miss. The bigger concerns are everything around the product. Many customers report long shipping times and poor customer service. The so-called 30-day money-back guarantee sounds reassuring, but when people actually try to return items, they often run into issues, like being ignored, denied refunds, or asked to pay expensive international return shipping, which makes it not worth it. Another thing that stands out is the reviews on their website, which look almost too perfect. But when you check more independent platforms like Reddit or Trustpilot, the feedback is very different, with many people feeling disappointed or even scammed. So, is it a completely fake company? Not really. But does it come across as trustworthy? Not quite. It has that low-cost drop-shipping brand vibe, where the quality and service can be inconsistent. Personally, I'd be cautious, especially when there are more reliable magnetic lash brands out there with better return policies. Thanks for watching One More Guru, where we break down trending products and help you avoid buyer's regret.